Hello and welcome. So today we'll solve second A question, that is about Collatz 3n plus 1. Yesterday we have solved this question to generate the Fibonacci sequence with the while loop that we have already seen. So the next question was about syntax errors in Python. So we have three errors, that is syntax error, runtime error and semantic error. That is clearly mentioned in the book. You can refer the book which they have given in the syllabus. So the next question was Collatz 3n plus 1. The theory behind Collatz 3n plus 1 is we have to give one number, for example n equals to 6. If that number is even, then we have to divide that number by 2. We have to halve the number, we have to take the half of its number, and if the number is odd we have to multiply that number by 3 and add the product to 1. So the theory is if you give any number, that number will be reduced to 1. So the direct solution is available in the book. You can refer the book. I'll solve the same problem. I'll take the same solution. It's very easy, and you have to explain how iteration and conditional statements. Iteration you have used while loop, and conditional statement you have used if and else. So you have to explain the implementation of iteration and conditional statements within the same problem. So we'll directly jump into the solution. We just have to take one n value, that is I'll take 6. So you cannot take a large value, you cannot write the output in the theory exam. If it is the lab, you can write it, you can get the output directly, but in theory you will have to generate those numbers, right? So we'll go with a smaller number, and then while we have to take a smaller number, then we have to run the for loop until and unless its value is not equals to 1. Yeah, then while not equals to 1, we have to print the number, that is n, and we have to end with comma with the space. So the number will be added with the comma and space, and then we have to generate, like, if we have to check the even nature. How to check the even nature of the number? If n mod 2 equals to 0, then we have to give the value of we have to divide the value of n by 2. We have used two divisions, that is called, we are using floor division to escape the decimal points. We don't need the decimal points, we just need the absolute value. So after that we have to use, if the number is odd, if the number is even, the number will be divided by 2. Else, the second option is the odd, we just have to multiply n value to 3 and we just have to add 1 to it, and then at last out of the loop we just have to print n value and comma and with the space and with the new line and the space. Yeah, so this is the syntax to generate the new line, and it will end with the dot at last. So we have to save it and run the program. So the number will be generated 6, 3, 10. Yeah, those numbers will be reduced to 1.